Capital One cash flow. Where does your money go in? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something fundamental yet often overlooked: depositing money. Think about it, you work hard for your cash, so knowing exactly where and how to get it into your bank account is crucial. Now, if you're a Capital One customer like myself, you might be wondering, where exactly can I deposit my hard-earned money? Well, fear not, friends, because that's what this video is all about. We'll break down all the different ways to feed your Capital One account, from classic methods to some hidden gems. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how to become a deposit-making master. Classic choices: branches and ATMs. Let's start with the tried-and-true methods: Capital One branches and ATMs. These are your go-to options if you prefer an in-person experience. Walking into a branch allows you to interact with a friendly banker, ask questions, and get personalized service. Plus, Capital One branches often have extended hours or weekend availability, making them convenient for busy schedules. Now, ATMs offer a 24/7 solution. They're perfect for those quick cash deposits or late-night emergencies. Capital One boasts a vast network of ATMs spread across the country. Just make sure to locate a Capital One ATM to avoid any potential fees. Mobile magic, depositing from anywhere. But what if you're not near a branch or ATM? No worries. Capital One's mobile app comes to the rescue with its fantastic mobile deposit feature. This allows you to deposit checks electronically, right from your phone's camera. It's a game changer, no more scrambling to find a physical location. Here's the best part: mobile deposits are usually super fast. The funds often reflect in your account within 1 or 2 business days. Just remember to follow the app's instructions carefully, ensuring proper lighting and clear captures of your check. The secret weapon: cash deposits at stores. Now, here's a hidden gem many Capital One users might not be aware of: depositing cash at participating CVS and Walgreens locations. This is a fantastic option for those who don't carry checks or prefer dealing with cash. Here's how it works: simply use the Capital One mobile app to generate a secure barcode. Head over to your nearest CVS or Walgreens, show the barcode to the cashier along with your cash, and voila! The funds are deposited directly into your account. External transfers and direct deposits. Let's not forget about external transfers and direct deposits. If you have accounts with other banks, you can easily transfer funds electronically to your Capital One account. This is a convenient way to consolidate your finances or move money around as needed. And of course, direct deposit is a fantastic option for getting your paycheck deposited straight into your Capital One account. This eliminates the need for physical checks and ensures you receive your hard-earned money on time, every time. Choosing the right deposit method. With so many options available, how do you pick the right one? Well, it really depends on your individual needs and preferences. Here's a quick breakdown. Need an in-person touch? Capital One branches offer personalized service. On the go and need speed? Mobile deposits and ATMs provide quick solutions. Prefer dealing with cash? The CVS/Walgreens partnership is a lifesaver. Looking to move money between accounts? External transfers are your friend. Want your paycheck delivered automatically? Direct deposit is the way to go. Security matters, keeping your deposits safe. No matter which method you choose, security is paramount. Here are some quick tips. Always be discreet when making deposits, especially at ATMs. For mobile deposits, ensure a well-lit environment and clear check images. Never share your Capital One login details with anyone. Report any suspicious activity to Capital One immediately. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.